Hi everybody, welcome to Carol's Art Room. Well, today on this 6x6 tile, I'm going to try, this is an experiment, I'm going to try a Dutch pour. I'm going to try and turn it into a tree. I saw Fiona Art do one, and she inspired me to try it, so hers turned out really beautiful. Check it out. Fiona Art is her channel. So I've got some white paint. This is white Artist Loft mixed with some Floetrol. I haven't done a Dutch pour for a very long time, so I dug out my Dutch pour paints, and they're getting pretty old, and some of them are starting to dry up, so time to revisit this. Okay. So it's a thin consistency, as you can see. Floetrol and water. I really didn't measure this one. I know there is measurements you can use. Camilla does measurements on hers. I used to use her measurements, and I still will, but not for this one. Some of these paints are her mixture. Okay, so I think what I'm going to try and do is drizzle some paint up here. This is a pink. This is, excuse me. This one is Royal Fuchsia by DecoArt. Oh, now I'm going to start coughing. Oh, dee-doo. All right, that's probably enough for now. Give it a try. This one is just a quinacridone gold hue by DecoArt. I guess it's going to be a pinkish goldy tree. I got some gold. This one is champagne gold. I think it's DecoArt Americana champagne gold. I got some more pink. This is a purple by Amsterdam. See, barely even lose a mound. That's how thin it is. So I'm going to blow it. Well, I'm not going to use a hairdryer, I don't think, on this. I'm going to use my mini blower because I don't think my hairdryer might be too big for this. I'm not sure yet, but we'll give it a whirl. It's all fun and games. Just trying to make something pretty. You know, try new things sometimes. I'm going to put a bit of green. Just maybe around the edges. Well, maybe just a bit here and there. And I have some black that I'm gonna kind of make a stem, not a stem, but a trunk, tree trunk. Maybe I'll put a bit of green down there. Let's see what we can get here. This is my mini blower and I've got my wide end on it. I'm gonna try the trunk first. Wow. I didn't want that, but just gonna fix this. Oops. Okay, let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna add some more white here. I'll do some lines. Oh, it's different. I might have to spin it a bit to get some of that off. I'm gonna give it a little torch. Well, it's different. It's kind of neat and it's worth working on. So I'm going to let it dry and see how it turns out. And we'll see what happens. But I'm going to keep working on this. Very cool. Probably be better if I had a bigger surface and try it on a bigger one. I can blow it out better. Anyways, thanks for watching, and yeah, give it a try. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that button, and you'll be the subscribe button, and you'll be notified, and hit the bell, and you'll be notified when I do a new video. Have a good day. Dried result will be at the end. Hi everybody. Here's my dried tree. Dutch pour tree. It's very cool. I think it would look good on a bigger canvas. I'll try another one bigger. Dried good. And there you go. Thanks for watching.